Hi everyone, it's Soraya. Thank you for joining me. Today it's a quick video on how I create some coasters. This time it's with just very basic neutral colors to me, some white and beautiful gold and a deep blue. It's very dark navy blue and the combination is so striking. I create 4 coasters at a time, and that's one set. So you'll see how I create them as I go along, and you'll see at the end that I show you what they all look like. Now, I said I will have a video when they're dry, but they got sold and I forgot to take video, so no video on the dry results, but they were beautiful enough that someone wanted to buy them. So the title of this video is Why Being Creative is a Good Idea. And being creative is a fantastic idea because it enriches our lives in countless ways. By tapping into our creativity, we open ourselves to a world of possibilities, allowing us to express our unique thoughts, emotions, and perspectives. Through creativity, we can find innovative solutions to problems, turning challenges into opportunities for growth. It sparks joy and fulfillment, fostering a sense of accomplishment and boosting our self-esteem. Being creative also encourages us to think outside the box, promoting a flexible and adaptive way of thinking. And engaging in creative activities reduces stress and enhances an overall mental well-being. Embracing creativity empowers us to connect with others, share our stories, and leaves a lasting impact on the world around us. And why not have these gorgeous little mini work of arts in your life, in your world? When you're having a drink and you put it down, it just makes you feel so much better to see something beautiful that you've created or someone else has created. To me, whenever I get kind of stuck on colors, I go to a white, blue, and gold. It's just such a classic combination to me. It works every time, and it creates a beautiful little mini work of art, or even a very large one. You can see on my channel, I've got lots of this color combination. And here they are. That gold is beautiful. So I can't wait to show you how they look when they dry up. Beautiful modern look to them. Love this color combination. Just 1 second.